Hello and welcome back to CryptoNovus, where newbies becomes masters. My name is Chris Brown and I'm the host. This morning I woke up, took a look at my Coinbase account, wanted to kind of find out what's happening with the market overall, and lo and behold, I saw a 54% increase on a particular coin. Said, well, that's interesting. Took a closer look and it was Ethereum Classic. And I have to admit, I've kind of forgotten a little bit about Ethereum Classic with all of the conversation being about Ethereum. But Ethereum Classic, as those of you who follow, watch, and actually have invested in the coin, has a very, very strong community. And this is so I immediately went to their Twitter page, and sure enough, they're celebrating as they should. Take a look at this one. It was yesterday posted, and the comment is, this is just but a taste of what is in store to come. And in general, the crypto market is early and teeny compared to traditional markets in terms of increases. And then this was another one that basically said ETC hits new high, nearly double its previous all-time high. And this is when it was only at 77.95. So let's take a closer look at what has happened. Okay, this is a article on Bazinga. And interestingly enough, they are comparing Dogecoin and Ethereum Classic in terms of their increases in the last 7 days. Not sure why the comparison, but they are. But this essentially is what's happened. ETCs rose to about 44, almost 45% in the last 24 hours, where Doge has only been up 33%. Overall, in the last 7 days, ETC has been up 117%, and Dogecoin has only been up 110%. In either case, if you're a Dogecoin investor, you'd be thrilled about this. I mean, it far exceeded what I thought it was going to do this year. I mean, we haven't even hit a peak in the market, and it's at 57 cents. And ETC is sitting up here, above $80. And I remember a year ago when it was sitting at around 7. So it has done quite well. So let's take a kind of a closer look at what's happening with it. Here we are on a TradingView price chart. And we can kind of see that back in around the middle of April, April 14th, 15th, it was sitting only at $21. And it immediately, not immediately, but within a couple of days, more than doubled its price and wicked as high as $47 on the 16th. Of course, it came down kind of to this middle line where there was really, a significant amount of trading volume at the $31 level. It did wick down here on the 22nd as low as $24, $25. If Ethereum was a blessing, if April was a blessing for Ethereum and for Dogecoin, May might be the extreme blessing for Ethereum Classic. As we look here in May, on the first day, we're sitting here at around 30, $37, $35 is where they're about $37 is where where Ethereum Classic was at. It has wicked up as of yesterday as high as $92, which means it's not quite, it didn't quite triple itself, but I mean, that's a significant increase in just 5 days. And you can see here from a trading volume side wise, it had some decent volume in comparison to, itself up to the 45 level. But as soon as it surpassed that, it clearly, I mean, there was really no resistance, very little trading volume, and it just had a chance to do somewhat of a parabolic rise. So, give kudos to Ethereum Classic and to the investors of Ethereum Classic. Here, I wanted to take a kind of a look at, for those of you that are not sure what Ethereum Classic is, basically Ethereum, when Ethereum first was created, there were some issues with the original design. There was a fork there and some dissension within the Ethereum ranks. And so there were some improvements made on Ethereum. There were those that said, hey, we will like the way the old protocol worked. And so they stuck with that one, and hence Ethereum Classic. The thing about Ethereum Classic that I want to take note is, here it talks about the fork in this article. It says in here, it says Ethereum Classic and its counterpart are similar, so don't get them confused. Diverging back in 2016 after a hack exposed security risk in the original blockchain. So there's kind of it in a nutshell. But the thing about it from an investing point of view, Ethereum Classic has gotten some good press because of the fact that Grayscale has decided to create a fund for Ethereum Classic, which is, it has done well, and so it's performed extremely well right now. So here are some predictions, which I found very interesting on Investor Place. Digital coin price gave a 2020 high of $75. So we're surpassed that. The Economy Forecast Agency gave a prediction of 132 by the end of the year. So that's going to be interesting. It'd be nice to see. I mean, it's almost all the way there. It hasn't quite hit 100. And then Government Capital said it should be just over 50. Well, we're surpassed that, and somewhere around 120 in the coming years. So I kind of think that we could probably see a price above 100. I'm going to probably do a price prediction later on in the week with this one real quick and see where this could possibly go. Ethereum, if we look back in history, Ethereum Classic, its all-time high. Let's take a look at that here on Coinbase, or excuse me, on CoinMarketCap. Let's see. Well, its all-time high is now $92. So it has reached its all-time high, and so this is exciting for this investment group and for this community. So I wish them the best on it, and we'll look forward to seeing what happens with Ethereum Classic in this bull run. You guys have a blessed day. That's all for today. My name is Chris Brown. This is CryptoNovus. Remember, where newbies become masters. See you guys in the next video.